If you're looking for an amazing electric screwdriver, you're going to want to check this one out. It is electric and it can also be used as manual. So this is everything we're going to get here. We're going to get this piece right over here. I'll show you exactly how to set this up. You get this piece right over here. I really like this because it's the most common. We get our charger right over here. We get these screw bits right over here. These are all the ones you get, which is really, really nice. Super easy to use. So you literally just pull this up right over here. So you'll see this. You just pull that up. If you want to put this one in, you just put that in like that. Release it down, and then it is locked in. To move it, you're going to just hit this button right over here, and it's going to go to the right. If you want to go backwards, you could do that as well. And you'll notice there is a light here, so you don't have to worry about being in the dark at all, which is really, really nice. This is how we're going to charge it right over here. If you wanted to take this off, take that off just like that, and if you wanted to put this one on, just literally load it in there just like that, and you're good to go. You can put any one of these inside of here. Really, really like this a lot. It's super compact. I like the fact that you don't have to keep this on all the time because it makes it easier to store. You literally just push that up, take it out, you're good to go. So if you're looking for a great electric screwdriver, this makes a great gift for yourself or a loved one who is always tinkering. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.